this way. Well, guys, we're out and about again. And these are the places here we have to make sure that we... Oh, look at rose apples. Rose apple. We have to make sure that as you come to Jamaica, it's not about the big fancy places, but these are the places are important too, guys. Look at that. The almond tree. Look at that. They call it almond, but it's almonds. It's beautiful. Whoa. Music is not mine, people. Then look at these. Rose apple. Look at that, guys. There's a big one up under there. It's beautiful. So when you come to Jamaica, guys, remember these are the places. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Shade tree. Just a little place here in Curried Park. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Remember these are the mom and pop places, guys, where people are trying to just make things work. Look at the almond tree. It's beautiful. Not my music. This is nice, people. Like this. Alright, guys, happy Sunday, happy Sunday. So here Miss Bev is having escovich fish again as usual. And I'm having it with fried potatoes, guys. Sweet fried potatoes. And my drink of choice, there you got it. Old Jamaican ginger beer. And we'll move on over here to Mrs. Ting. Look at that guy, the real Jamaican grapefruit Ting. And she's having, what's that again, Katie?
Coconut curry.
Coconut curried fish, right? Look at that, guys. Oh my God, with okra and carrots and whoa. And she's having it with festival. Look at the twist in the festival. Oh my God. So guys, come to Jamaica and enjoy the sweet, sweet Jamaica. They're so creative. The food is good. So when you come out, stop at these little places. We're in Curried Park right now. And the music, YouTube is not my music, please. Not my music at all. Artificially flavored. Happy Sunday, everybody.